In this video we're going to look at length and midpoint of a line. What we need to do is we need to plot 2 points. So if we're here to here, what we do is we need to have a consistent size of graph. So normally if we're asked for a length, we would be using 1 centimeter square graph paper. And then all we do is set our ruler down and we measure the length of it. And if we measure the point or the line connecting A and B, we would see that A to B is 10.4 centimeters. If we wanted to work out the midpoint, we could use a ruler and work that out. And we would see that the middle, so if we went 10.2 centimeters or 5.2 halfway along, we would see that the midpoint is here. And that would have a coordinate of -1, 1.5. Now there is a relationship between that number and the coordinates of A and B. So A has the coordinate of -6,3 and B has the coordinates of 4, 0. And if we find the average x coordinates, so if we look at the x values to be -6 and 4, and we add those together and divide by 2, so -6 add 4, and then divide that by 2, we get an answer of -1. If we do the average of the y coordinates, which are 3 and 0, then 3 plus 0 and divided by 2 gives us 1.5, which is where the point is. So find the midpoint of 2 minus 1 and -4, 5. So if we look at the x values, 2 add -4 and then divide by 2. So 2 take away 4 is -2, divided by 2 is -1. And for the y values, 1 plus 5 divided by 2 gives us 6 divided by 2, which is 3. So the midpoint is -1, 3. And example 3, find the midpoint of the line from 2, 5 to 4, 3. So our x values, it's going to be 2 plus 4 divided by 2, which gives us a value of 3. And the y coordinates are 5 and 3, which we add together and divide by 2 to give 4. So the midpoint has the coordinates of 3, 4. Alternatively, you could draw those in a set of axes, measure the length of the line and go halfway to find the point.